So hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your Instagram username from your PC or laptop. To do so, first of all, just open up Instagram from your Google Chrome on your laptop. And after doing that, you can see you need to go onto profile, which is on the bottom left side of your screen. Click onto your profile. And now this will take you to your profile, and here you can see on your screen an option to edit profile. Click on it. After you do so, it will take you to your settings, and now under settings you can see an option for personal details. Tap on it. After you do so, you can see that your account is on the right side of your screen. You should just tap on your account. You can see a small pop-up will appear on your screen. Click on the username that is shown on the pop-up. After doing so, now here you can change your username. And that's how you can change your Instagram username on your laptop or PC. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Till then, goodbye.